Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 12. Almost got 2 weeks under our belt. Thank you guys again so much for joining me for COOKMAS, where I am continuing to give you daily videos throughout the holiday season for the month of December. And for today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make something that's probably a little better than pizza almost. We're going to go ahead and make some pizza stuffed bell peppers. So I'm pretty sure you guys have all had the traditional stuffed pepper, which does involve ground beef and then cheese and then maybe some other toppings. But in this case, we're going to load these peppers up like they are a pizza. So we've got our favorite pizza toppings here. And then, of course, the bell peppers, which are going to serve as the vessel for all of these delicious flavors and toppings. If you are ready to start this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during this COOKMAS season. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here are the pizza stuffed peppers. Use whatever kind of toppings that you like. In this case, I use the ones that I prefer. And also, if you can, make them a little bit smaller just so you're able to fit lots and lots of toppings onto that bell pepper. We've got cheese, we've got Italian sausage, we've got mini pepperonis and olives. And that marinara sauce, everything went together very, very well. You can make as many peppers as you want. I also have a video out where I use the mini bell peppers. You can do that also. Let's go ahead and serve one of these peppers up so we can see all of the deliciousness inside. The pepper was tender. It was full of that Italian sausage. This truly tasted like a pizza without the crust. Of course, this would be perfect if you are on a keto diet or just watching your carbs. I would suggest this. It gives you all the wonderful flavors of a pizza without the guilt of the carbs. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite pizza toppings. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.